It's interesting to know that radiation penetrates everything but still leaves no visible holes. It's of great magnitude to remark that not all radiation knows how to invade everything. Alpha radiation knows how to just journey a small number of feet and is congested by paper. Data lines waves are oftentimes blocked, scrambled by ringing frames. The holes are present there, they're now moreover small for you normally. Objects are garb-lasting things. Mainly most of the space is empty between the atoms, but for the reason that its electrons and your electrons interact and push back each other from a detach, it seems enduring to you. Radiation is not enough for prominent energy particles like electrons or photons like gamma energy that are so tiny that they can straightforwardly squeeze through the outer space between the cores of atoms and acquire out the other side. If you feel like breaking them off at that moment, you must put sufficient whopping atoms packed directly at once in its channel, like in a dense ingredient like lead. Accordingly, that the particle will very nearly destroy a bit before it is capable of popping out the other side. Smooth at what time it does bang incredible, it normally right gets absorbed and curved into a crumb of passion in the notes more than blowing a dent through it as a bullet might. Despite the enormously undersized amount of an atom, its capacity is devastatingly empty. This allows the particle of radiation to accurately dispatch between the core and electron. It would be like an asteroid disappearance between the Earth, the nucleus, and Moon. The electron, without the special effects of gravity, or, if you care about the solar system to be an atom and the planet's electrons, you be able to look into how a large amount clear interim is between the planets and the sun and the planets from a piece other, making it avoid channels knocking atoms out of the material. If you understand the incredibly intense radiation of a compassionate person that interacts with the cloth followed by, you can bring about a tear in it. This is what laser and electron hedge clippers do. But radiation that is piercing is radiation that doesn't network with the data or interact weakly. Therefore, X-rays don't network a great deal with your flesh, they reach desirable through. They come in contact with heavier atoms like calcium atoms in your bones.